At a rally in Wisconsin last week, President Trump repeated his claims that sinks, showers, and toilets don't work anymore because of an EPA regulation. Here's a reminder of what his complaints sounded like.
So here to explain Trump's obsession with plumbing, the White House plumber, Christopher Plummer.
Why, this theater looks glorious. It makes the old Vic look like a garbage dump.
Wait a second, you're the actor Christopher Plummer.
Yes, my good man. Something funny about that? I better be. I've been him for damn 90 years.
No offense, Mr. Plummer. We just meant to book the actual White House plumber.
Alas, so did Trump. He called my agent and he said Christopher Plummer is the right man for the job. That job? A plumber. A meager role with even less pay.
So taxpayers are paying Christopher Plummer to be Trump's plumber.
Yes, but if the back of my pants while I'm dealing with one of these pesky pipes is any indication, it's paying SAG rates. Little plumber humor for you.
Mr. Plummer, big fan of you in Star Crash, but do you have any experience actually plumbing?
Not a jot. But an actor uses his skills of listening and intuition. Sometimes I hear a creaky pipe and I wonder if it has a story to tell me, or wants to sing a silly song. When I deal with a cantankerous latrine, sometimes I give it a stern spanking. You know, the spanking, it's the best cure for dyspepsia. Be ye man or be ye toilet.
I see you brought your toolbox.
Yes, if you are a plumber or a plumber, you must always be prepared. You see, I have my tools. I have a wrench. And I have this tiny saber.
Dude, that's a screwdriver.
Oh, a screwdriver. Yes, I am thirsty. Yes, one screwdriver, garçon.
So, Mr. Plummer, can you tell us a little bit what it's like working with Donald Trump?
Ah, yes. Once when I wanted to test my mettle against one of these unruly spigots, I overheard him talking to a woman named Melanoma, who appears to be one of his Ukrainian concubines. It's true.
Mr. Plummer, so wait, why does Trump have to flush the toilet like 10 or 12 times?
Let me tell you something that Mr. Trump told me that I hold to this very day. When you're sliding in the first and your belly, it starts to burst. Yes, finish the limerick.
Diarrhea.
Cha, cha, cha. True today as when the bard wrote it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must go to the green room lavatory.
Oh, do you need to fix a plumbing problem?
No, I need to create a problem. I need to poop.
Christopher Plummer, the White House plumber, everyone.
Go see Knives Out and more Space Crime!